Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of networking or cybersecurity, you probably heard terms like VLAN, NAT, and DNS, but what do they really mean? In just a few minutes, we'll break down the top 11 essential networking terms you must know to build a solid foundation. Let's get started. First up, VLAN or Virtual Local Area Network. It's like dividing your office network into different rooms without the walls. VLANs help segment traffic for security, performance, and easier management. DMs. Next is the DMZ or demilitarized zone. It's a buffer zone between your internal network and the internet where public facing services like web servers live safely isolated from your private systems. ARP. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It helps your device find the MAC address of another device using its IP, like looking up a contact number using someone's name. VM. A VM or virtual machine is like running a computer inside another computer. It lets you test or run different systems on the same physical machine, ideal for learning and secure environments. NAT. NAT or network address translation lets multiple devices share a single public IP address. It's a key technology behind most home routers and adds a layer of security by hiding internal IPs. IP IP or Internet Protocol assigns addresses to every device online. Think of it as your device's digital home address, essential for sending and receiving data. DNS DNS, the domain name system, turns easy to remember names like google.com into IP addresses. Without DNS, we'd all need to memorize numbers to browse the web. DHCP. DHCP automatically hands out IP addresses to devices when they connect. No need to configure anything manually, DHCP does the job for you. Router. A router is the traffic manager of your network. It decides where data packets go and connects your network to the internet using IP routing. Switch. A switch connects devices within your local network. It uses MAC addresses to send data only where it needs to go, reducing unnecessary traffic. VPN. Finally, a VPN or virtual private network encrypts your connection, making it secure and private, perfect for working remotely or avoiding surveillance on public Wi Fi. These networking terms form the backbone of both IT and cybersecurity. Mastering them is your first step to becoming cyber smart. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite networking term below.